You want to see what the inside of a fridge looks like? I'll just pop you next to the things that are usually in the fridge, exactly in those places. Totally didn't put there just for the purpose of this video. Right, ta-ra!